In this video you will learn how to assemble a W3018 wall cabinet. Tools required for assembling wall cabinet, W3018. Power drill. Rubber mallet. Wood glue. This tool is optional. You can use the power drill instead of the screwdriver. Now let's go ahead and start our assembly. Step 1. Place the box on top of a table and unbox the content. Protect it from any scratch during assembly. Step 2. Place the side panels on a table and unbox the hardware toolbox. Step 3. Apply the wood glue in the holes, only the holes without rubber screw bumpers and not too much glue. Step 4. Insert the wooden dowels into the holes you applied the glue. Step 5. Using your drill, insert the cam lock fastener screws in the holes, only the holes with rubber screw bumpers. Step 6. Apply glue on the wooden dowels of one side panel. Time to fix other panels on the side panel. Step 7. Let's fix our back panels in the steel screws and wooden dowels. Make sure the hole on the side of the back panel enters the steel screw and pointing to the outside of the cabinet. Step 8. Insert the eccentric cam lock in the bottom holes outside the panels. Make sure it's pointing downwards. Can use screwdriver or drill. Let's fix our back cabinet. Step 9. Slide the back cabinet into the dado joints of the panels. Step 10. Apply glue on the wooden dowels of the other side panel. Step 11. Insert the eccentric cam lock in the top holes outside the panel. Make sure it's pointing upwards. Cover all outside screws with the stickers. Step 12. Let's fix our hinges. Screw the hinges into existing small holes on the side panels. Use the 3/4 inch width screw from the hinge box. Step 13. Insert hinge cups into existing holes on the back side of door. Secure hinge to door using screws in the hinge box. Step 14. Cover the hinges with the hinge covers and attach rubber door bumpers to the top and bottom corners of doors.